The Christmas celebration in 2024 represents a socio-legal phenomenon of particular interest for academic analysis, where multiple dimensions of the legal framework converge with profound socio-cultural transformations. This commentary aims to examine the various implications that this traditional holiday generates in the contemporary context, considering its legal, social, and cultural manifestations. In labor law, Christmas 2024 has led to new interpretations of workers' rights. Digital commerce and new work forms have challenged traditional rest rights. Courts are developing criteria for remote work during holidays, digital disconnection, and holiday compensations. Recent case law balances commercial demands with labor rights. Labor courts have seen the need to develop innovative interpretative criteria to address situations such as remote work during holidays, the right to digital disconnection, and extraordinary compensation during holiday periods. Recent case law has established relevant precedents regarding the reconciliation between contemporary commercial demands and the protection of fundamental labor rights. From the perspective of economic and commercial law, the Christmas period of 2024 has highlighted substantial transformations in contractual relationships and business practices. Global inflation and economic fluctuations have led to a reinterpretation of fundamental principles such as the theory of unforeseen circumstances and good faith in contracts. In the context of Christmas transactions, supply contracts, delivery obligations, and commercial guarantees have had to adapt to new economic realities, creating a specialized legal framework for regulating festive commerce. In the realm of constitutional and administrative law, the Christmas celebration raises fundamental questions about the secularism of the state and religious freedom. Public administrations face the challenge of balancing the preservation of cultural traditions with the principle of state neutrality. Municipal ordinances regarding Christmas decorations, the regulation of public events related to the holiday, and the use of common spaces have sparked a legal debate about the limits of state intervention in cultural expressions of religious origin. Criminal law, as a fundamental discipline of the legal framework, observes specific criminological patterns during the Christmas period that require a differentiated analysis. Property crimes show significant state variations, while those related to domestic violence and road safety require specific preventive strategies. Criminal policy must adapt to these seasonal realities, taking into account the social and psychological factors that are characteristic of the festive season. In international law, Christmas affects trade. Trade agreements must consider holiday imports and customs. Harmonizing trade regulations during Christmas challenges law. International trade agreements must take into account the specifics of the holiday season, especially regarding temporary imports, customs regulation, and international consumer protection. The harmonization of trade regulations during the Christmas season represents a significant challenge for private international law. The implications of Christmas 2024 extend beyond legal aspects, affecting social practices and community ties. Holiday commercialization contrasts with movements for simpler, sustainable celebrations. This has prompted new environmental and consumer protection laws, showing legal social links. The commercialization of the holiday confirms, or rather, contrasts with social movements that advocate for a return to more austere and sustainable celebrations. This phenomenon has led to new regulations in environmental law and consumer protection, highlighting the interrelation between legal and social dimensions.